So Craig, back at Tannadice again, the first time since you left the club, and you're here tonight for Sean's testimonial. Your thoughts, 10 years for a guy like Sean, what's your thoughts on that?
Oh, it's brilliant. He's been a great servant at the club. Obviously I know him well. I played with him for at least 3-4 years here. Great guys, but probably ask anyone that's played with him or knows him. He's one of the nicest guys you'll meet, and it's brilliant to be part of this. There's a lot of guys that I've not spoke to for a few years, so it'll be really good to see them and back involved in the game, and hopefully it's a good turnout for them.
Yeah, you mentioned there guys you haven't seen for a while, and a lot of the cup final guys, so it'll be good to catch up with guys that you had such a successful period with back in 2010, see them again.
Yeah, that's it. I think when you win something together, you're almost friends for life. So as you say, it'll be great to catch up with a few lads, and I'm sure we'll have a few laughs and jokes and reminisce about old times.
Yeah, we'll have a great night tonight, and it'll be great seeing you back in Tangerine. Cheers, Greg.
Thank you. Cheers.